If you are over 40 and you don't have a savings plan for the future and you worried, maybe stressed out about not having enough money for retirement, this video is for you. I'm going to give you 5 income streams that I personally done myself, and I'm going to give you some of the pros and cons so you can pick out the one that may fit you depending on your budget and how much time you got. So once you reach that golden age of 65, you'll be straight. I just turned 50 last month and I didn't have a savings plan for the future either. To keep it real, I wasn't trying to save no money because all the money that I did get, I put it into other curricular activities. To keep it 100, I was a drug addict. So all the money that I got, it went towards the lifestyle. But then when I got into recovery 3 years ago, I started getting anxious and stressed out about not having enough money when I reached that golden age of 65. So I started searching and researching and also getting mentorship on how to make money online. And I've tried different things. And I'm going to go over the 5 things that I've tried. Now, you guys, make sure you stick around to the end because I got something sweet for you. But starting at number 5. Number 5 is master resale rights. Now, master resale rights is basically buying somebody else's high-ticket product, like a course, and then reselling it. What I did is I bought a course that was $497. In my brain, what I can do is buy this for $497, and I can sell it for, once I sell 2 of them, that my money back, and then the rest of it be profit. And it didn't go that way. Because what I learned was that I got into that game kind of late. The one that I bought, I'm not going to put the name out there because I'm not here to hate on nobody or anything like that. I'm just telling you my story, right? Platforms got like oversaturated with the same master resale rights program. And what it really did was it only taught me how to sell the same product that I bought then. So to me, it was kind of scammy. Also, because that was part of the beginning of my journey to making money online, I wasn't very familiar with how to market it or do sales or do funnels and things like that, setting up web pages and stuff like that. So it was kind of challenging for me, especially for a person that had a 9-to-5, right, and had other engagements, and I had a family too as well. So it didn't fit into what I needed to do or what I wanted to do. It was kind of hard. That was just my experience. But I did sell one. It was just the beginning of me learning how to make money online. Because for some programs or master resale rights or whatever the case may be, it's not as easy as some of these people make it look. Now, number 4 is private label rights. And what private label rights is, find somebody like digital product, ebook, guide, or digital art, and you resell it. It's a little bit different than master resale rights. With PLRs, you can actually brand it yourself. You can put your name on it, your logos and stuff like that, and sell it as your own. And they range anywhere between $10 to $100 to buy these things. Now, that's good for if you're just a beginner, but the work that they put into it or the quality of it was very poor. Now, I would suggest if you want to do like something like this, I'm going to get into it later in this video, is to learn how to do Canva like I did and create your own digital products. But for me, it didn't work out. It was like a learning thing for me, and it taught me how to pivot and start doing my own products. I only sold like 2 or 3 of these too as well. Now, coming in at number 3 is FBA, Fulfilled by Amazon. Now, I had went all in on this because I thought it would be real lucrative for me because I use Amazon all the time. I buy everything from Amazon. I spent $1,000 on a course and mentorship so I could learn how to sell products on Amazon, physical products, right? But when I got into it, once I started learning from the coach, I didn't realize how much went into it. I had to find my own distributor. A lot of them was overseas. You had to get a relationship with them. You had to find products, trending products, right? I just couldn't go in there and sell like an Xbox because everybody's selling Xboxes. So I had to learn how to go down a rabbit hole and find, like, say, for example, instead of selling the Xbox, I had to find products like the disc or the controllers that go along with the Xbox because it's popular or it's trending, and make money off of that. But finding the distributor and all the taxes and fees that Amazon did and all the time it took in research and things like that, I had to bail out on that one because I just didn't have the time and also the money to buy products, because you have to put a lot of money, like $1,000, $2 in under to buy the products, and you may miss. A lot of times people miss and not having the right products to actually sell. That's why you see a lot of companies or stores selling different products, because if one is not making a lot of money, they have one that maybe is, so it kind of balances out and they make profit. But I don't have the money like that. If you have money like that, $3,000, $4,000 to put into doing FBA, hey, I say go for it. But for me, it didn't work out. I ain't make no money. I lost over $1,000. Now we're down to number 2, which is one of my favorites because it's great for people that's over 40, that have kids, that have a family, wife, a husband, have other engagements and things like that, and you don't have a lot of time, this is great because the learning curve for this is very low. Because once you learn how to create a digital product, which you can create in Canva and other platforms like that, and then you just set up like funnels and sales platforms like ClickFunnels, and you can sell them, and you just have to put out content. This is one of my favorites. And before I learned how to use Canva, I just went on Fiverr and got people to create digital products for me. My first digital product that I created was for people that was in recovery that wanted to learn how to manage their recovery life with their family life and also self-care, because in my community I've seen a lot of people relapse because they spend too much time focused on getting money at work hours and stuff like that, or a whole lot of time with the girlfriend and stuff like that, and not spending enough time for self-care, which is very important. I did good. I made a few $100s with that, but it wasn't making the money that I wanted to make. It was part of my purpose. It helped people, but I wanted to have something with purpose and also making money. You guys can understand that. So I still do it, but I don't do it as much as I used to. This is great for anybody that, you know, have a passion about something and want to teach people how to do things or overcome things. Like now we're down to number one, which is my absolute favorite, which has generated the most income for me within the last year, and it's affiliate marketing. You may have heard of it before, but just in case you haven't, affiliate marketing is just bridging the gap between a potential customer and somebody that's selling either a service or a product, and you get a commission. And the great thing about it is I don't have to do a lot of things on the back end. Everything is done for me. All I have to do is drive traffic with my own unique affiliate link. So if somebody buys like a product through my affiliate link, I get a commission. All I got to do is make content, short form or long form content on either like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, if you're over 40, I want y'all to put over 40 or your age down in the description if you're not ashamed. I'm going to leave a link down in the description to give you a course that's going to be no cost to you to teach you how to do affiliate marketing the right way. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave those questions in the description too as well. I hope this video helped you guys out, but make sure you subscribe and like, because in the next video, I'm going to dive deep in how to stay motivated with making money with affiliate marketing, because the mindset, that's the most important thing. Rock, future millionaire. Check it out. Peace.